Yes, friends over there, we're continuing with the naming project where we bring to you Luo names. And right now, I've got a friend. He's right here. His name is OBOL. He is going to use Luo language, and I will be the one to translate. Yes, Jalabola poem, Mataka Julie, the Luo online.
I'm poem.
And I'm here in a year, you take it down, meaning for me. It's a young kere, and you may be represented joining OBOL wearing material.
A poem
that he appreciates you a lot.
And I'm here to get my name to check okay, the new ball.
He's saying that he wants to present to you and explain to you why his name was named OBOL.
OBOL, Oberu Ning Mano, Oberu Yang no, Kingoko, and you Kingoko Nina Makuti, Ningo, Balu Kut, Mano, Mirgin, Merkier, Chiwani, Ning in the knee, take a jack, Makono, according, Ginano, Danamirti, Mane. Chiều quẹo có nhìn nó bồn lù chung thế này nó nhìn mà nó miệt cái chắc nó đôi cái chắc nó bồn thế nó bồn lì bề đúng ngắt nó mà nó miệt cái quẹt có như vậy nó miệt cái quẹt vào chỗ tìm Gimara này chỉ chăm cùi.
So according to him, he's saying that OBOL was named at a time when there was a lot of peace. So actually he was supposed to be named Udong. Udong means something should remain behind, but instead they named him OBOL because he was interrupting the peace of the parents, and maybe there was the Laraka Raka dance and the parents wanted to go and dance, so he was disturbing the parents, and he could cry. The party is there. So, this guy should have been thrown away. OBOL means to throw something away is bolo. So, OBOL is somebody who was supposed to be thrown away. So, due to that party, the peace in the Luo land by that time, he was interfering with that peace of the parents, keeping the child not easy. So now, in Tamoning, young Gimara.
Nhưng em mắc cái miếng này, cái nó đây còn nhồi lên mình nhiều pin, nó bị quẹo rồi nhìn không.
So according to him, I asked him that what does he feel about his name. Then he told me that if he was to be given a chance to go back to childhood and decide the name he would take, then he was going to reject his name, OBOL. So, pingo yun na bikwera.
Pingo mano ana bikwera nyingo. Yan na bichak ni ko. Nyingo bolli pingo ko mini an. Ngo maraj mano guak no ana bitimi.
I hope the camera lady does not laugh.
Chưa weko. Weko nyingo bolli. Cái nó này nó miệt cái chắc nghe bé này yo cái tiếng yo cái chi bao nhiêu cái nhỏ lại thì yo cái gì được nó nhìn nó đọc.
So he said he was not going to interfere with the peace of the parents. Why did the parents name him OBOL, something to be thrown away? Instead they would have named him Yo, so that they just put him at the roadside and leave him to go and they can go and party while he's at the roadside. I think that is just a kind of despair. So, do you have any other thing? You think you give more kind of mere watch down the party? Look of Ying.
I know
you okay. Look of Ying. Look, my kind of mere watch down.
I look more my below my doing that from mere white kong. Ying tay bị chắc ô. Mere kong thì là như vậy lúc Ying cái chắc này. No cái chắc nó cái coi đình nó mọi người guộc nó gì mere bạn này chắc cha nó nhìn mà chắc mà bè nó lùm tiền nó cái nhớ là lùm mà nó nhìn bè này chắc cái bè cái này cái nhớ là chuyện cha bè ôi chắc có nhiều con là ngã ôi có nhìn mà cái chắc này chắc là vô cái kỳ đi piano kiri no ko ara wobe ko ara nyira nyo ko ara nyira piano nyira aria degge ti chaka nyu kiri come gum kikin jono
so now he's saying that the parents should be very careful while naming because there are some naming that can lead to stigmatization. Like it is good to start name according to the meaning, but there are some names like his name for him is not happy about his name. So I think we have come to the end of our presentation. Thank you very much for watching the video. And I have to appreciate also the camera lady. Her name is, we call her Mina Kati, the mother to Kati. That is very important to give her credit. Thank you.